What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for today's video. Today I have a pretty small home decor haul to share with you guys. I hope that you guys will enjoy it. Let's jump right in and get started. Okay, here is the first item that I wanted to share with you guys. This is something I am so excited about because I know we are going to get probably almost daily use out of this. This is by the company Timber Ridge, and this was sent to me for review to share with you guys. And full disclosure, I want to let you guys know all opinions are my own, as they are with every video that I share with you guys on my channel. So any product that I agree to talk about on my channel has to be something that, number one, I know I'm going to use. I don't want to waste anybody's time or resources. And then number two, once the items arrive to my home, I test them out, I figure them out and play around with them before coming on and talking about them. So this is definitely an item that I am really excited about. I love the olive green color that this has. It's so like gender neutral. It's also a color that's not going to get dirty over time, so the color is just beautiful. So this comes with a little carrying bag and it folds down to this size, which almost looks unbelievable. But folding this down is really simple, as well as assembling it back into this open position. It does get really nice and compact. This can be purchased and found on Amazon.com, and I will have a direct link down below in case you are interested in this item or an item like this. The brand Timber Ridge had so many items to look at and choose from, and I'm really interested in purchasing some additional items. These have huge wheels. They're like monster wheels, and this sits really nice and tall. We did have something just like this, I think a little bit smaller, definitely a little bit more lower to the ground just because of the wheel size, but we had a wagon like this from Sam's Club that we used last year. Unfortunately, that did not survive the entire summer, and I can already tell that this one is so much more durable. Just the framework, the structure, like I said, those wheels. This can hold up to 150 pounds. And then on the other side of this, there are 3 netted dividing pockets, and then there is also this huge zipper compartment, which is a feature I really like, just to keep things a little bit more hidden and a little bit more secure. All right, next up, I found a few items from HomeGoods, and here are the first 3. I purchased 3 new soaps. I've been really trying to venture out with my hand soaps and just find what else is out there other than sticking to what I'm used to, which is Bath & Body Works. I am still a huge fan of their soaps. I probably forever will be, but I am liking the bigger and a little bit more like toned down plain packaging that I have been seeing and finding at HomeGoods and TJ Maxx. So I purchased these 3 new soaps, and I'm really excited to give them a try because they all smell so good. And besides that, they also have some benefits in there, such as like essential oils, and they're a little bit more natural, I think, than what I've been using from Bath & Body Works. So here is the first one. This is in the scent Coconut Rose. It's a very soft, feminine smell, as I'm sure you can imagine just by the name of it. Here you can see on the back, this is infused with coconut oil, and it is paraben free. And then from that same company, I have this lavender coconut hand wash. Again, very soft, very feminine, but still a really nice, beautiful scent. This as well is infused with coconut oil and is paraben free. The bottles are plastic. When I've been looking for hand soaps at HomeGoods and TJ Maxx, I have been trying to find the ones that are glass just because they're reusable. Just trying to be a little bit more resourceful with my purchasing decisions. But like I said, the scents of these 2 were so good, I cannot pass them up. And then both of these smaller hand soaps were $4.99 each. And then I found this huge hand soap. This is in the scent Lemon Verbena, and this is in a glass bottle. Here you can see this larger glass hand soap was $7.99, and given the size and the amount of hand soap inside of here, along with the reusable glass container. I thought that the price was really fair. And then this soap as well is blended with essential oil. Next up, I found this really tiny, really cute little sign, and this just reads, "This is my happy place." I love how, again, neutral it is, but I also love the pop of green with the images of the greenery. It kind of has a mixture of what looks to be like eucalyptus leaves along with like some evergreen leaves. So I feel like it's a perfect combination between spring, summer, fall, and even winter with those evergreen looking leaves. It can be placed anywhere, and it just gives a small space, an added little pop of decor. And again, this was found at HomeGoods. The price tag for this was $4.99. Moving on, I came across this little set of 2 can koozies, again from HomeGoods. I am such a sucker for these impulsive, inline items that HomeGoods is notorious for having. You can always find really cute, pretty inexpensive items throughout the checkout line while you're waiting to actually check out. And so that is where I found these, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them because I just don't really need them. But at the time, again, I'm an impulsive buyer, so I brought them home with me, and they are super cute. I love the very faded out rainbow colors, and then they are covered in iridescent sparkles on both sides. Here's the price tag, $6 for the set of 2. And like I said, I think that they're so cute, really pretty, but I'm just not sure if I really need them. We have quite a few can koozies and they never get used for whatever reason. I have definitely been trying to save all of my money for some new couches and new furniture. All of those refresh videos that I've been talking to you about, and you guys know every dollar counts. So I'm still on the fence about these. Here is my next find, and this is a really beautiful iridescent non-slip bath mat. The really beautiful iridescent colors are definitely not coming off on camera as well as they do in person, but trust me when I tell you guys, this is such a beautiful, like pearly clear color, and I'm really excited to bring this upstairs. We have needed a new bath mat in our upstairs bathroom for the longest time. I paid $5.99. Next up, I have 2 stemless wine glasses. I actually picked up 4 of these, but I just brought 2 to share with you guys. I found these at World Market, and I have been looking for similar wine glasses like these ones. I just wanted some really thick, durable glass, and then I did not want the stem. I just wanted something that's a little bit less maintenance, something that I can drink from while outside and even around the kids, but without so much worry of a typical stemmed wine glass. I was finding lots of variations of these at other stores, but they were so pricey and I just wasn't willing to pay the price that I was finding. I knew that I wanted to get the recycled glass just because, well, it is recycled, and then I really love the green tint that recycled glass has. Originally I was trying to find like a hammered out recycled stemless glass. Again, shopping on a budget, these fit the bill. I really like these. They are a really nice weighted glass, and I'm not sure if you can really tell, but they do have little like air bubbles in there. The shape of these also are a bit different, which is another feature that I really like. I'm not sure if you could tell the shape difference of these. The variations are extremely slight, so you might not even notice them on camera, but to me this one has like a wider base and this one is a little bit more like slim. So I love having items that have imperfections and that are not all completely uniform. So again, these came from World Market. I believe these were $5.99 a piece, and like I mentioned, I picked up 4 of these. My next find is another World Market find, and it is this little serving bowl set. I immediately fell in love with this. I originally went to World Market for those stemless wine glasses, and as soon as I saw this on the shelf, I knew I wanted it so bad. It did come with this little wooden spoon, which I think is such a cute touch, especially how it kind of just fits right in. It has such a country, homey feel to it. I am obsessed with all 3 of these little handles, and then I really love the shape of this. It does have gray little speckles kind of running throughout this. It is dishwasher safe. I believe I paid $24.99 for this one. I have already used it multiple times and I just got it last week. I think that this would make an awesome housewarming gift, and I already have someone in mind that I want to pick up another one of these for, and I think she will love it. Just again, the simplicity. I feel like this is just a timeless piece that I will be able to keep in my collection for many, many years. Moving on, I found this really beautiful, very colorful throw blanket at Target. This was part of their summer collection, and so I got it for a really good price. So here is the tag. It is part of the Opal House collection, and then here you can see the original price of this blanket was $34.99. and I paid $10.48. So great deal. You can tell the quality of the blanket is really nice. It's soft, yet it's got a nice weight to it. And of course, I love these tassels. I think that these add such a fun, different twist on the blanket itself. As much as I love neutrals and toned down colors, I do like adding pops of color here and there, and I think throw blankets are a really easy and fun, inexpensive way to kind of change out between seasons and just add a fun pop of color inside of your home within your home decor. And then really quick, I wanted to share with you guys this new little set of lights that I picked up from Target. So I purchased this mini set of string lights for our kitchen window, and I just love having string lights up in my home throughout the year. And such a cozy, summery vibe. I love the shadows that they create on the walls, and I'm just obsessed. I love finding different ways to use string lighting. They just create such a cozy and warm glow, especially at nighttime. They're like the perfect size to fit a small window. So I'll probably keep these up throughout fall too, just because I do think that because of the brown, they do read like fall vibes. And then here's how they look when they are not on, which is another reason why I really like them. They are still like super decorative even during the day when they are not in use. So I just thought that this was a really great find. I wanted to share this with you guys. You guys know how much I love my cozy in my home. So this set of string lights just falls in perfectly with what I try to achieve throughout my house. So that wraps up this quick home decor haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave those down in the comment section below. I love interacting with you all. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you could please give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you all in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.